Ternary is the base 3 numeral system. Analogous to a bit, a ternary digit is a trit. One trit contains bits of information. Although ternary most often refers to a system in which the three digits 0, 1 and 2 are all non-negative numbers, the adjective also lends its name to the balanced ternary system, used in comparison logic and ternary computers. Comparison to other radices. Representations of integer numbers in ternary do not get uncomfortably lengthy as quickly as in binary. For example, decimal 365 corresponds to binary 101,101,101 and a ternary 111,112. However, they are still far less compact than the corresponding representations in bases such as decimal or see below for a compact way to codify ternary using nonary and septemvigesimal. As for rational numbers, ternary offers a convenient way to represent 1/3. But a major drawback is that, in turn, ternary does not offer a finite representation for 1/2, because 2 is not a prime factor of the base. Equals sum of the digits in ternary as opposed to binary equals, the value of a binary number with n bits that are all 1 is 2 n a1. Similarly, for a number n, b, d, with base b and e digits, all of which are the maximum digit value ba1, we can write n, b, d, equals bda1 plus bda2 plus a plus b1 plus bo, n, b, d, equals, n, b, d, equals m, bm equals bd plus bda1 plus a plus b2 plus b1, and, am equals a bda1 a bda2 a b1 a1, so, bm am equals bd a1, or, m equals slash, b a1. Then, n, b, d, equals m, n, b, d, equals slash, ba1, and, n, b, d, equals bd a1. For a three-digit ternary number, n, 3, 3, equals 33 a1 equals 26 equals 2 a, 32 plus 2 a, 31 plus 2 a, 30 equals 18 plus 6 plus 2. Equals compact ternary representation, base 9 and 27 equals, nonary or septemvigesimal can be used for compact representation of ternary, similar to how octal and hexadecimal systems are used in place of binary. Practical usage: a base 3 system is used in Islam to keep track of counting tasbih to 99 or to 100 on a single hand for counting prayers. In certain analog logic, the state of the circuit is often expressed ternary. This is most commonly seen in transistor logic using 7406 open collector logic. The output is said to either be low, high, or open. In this configuration, the output of the circuit is actually not connected to any voltage reference at all. Where the signal is usually grounded to a certain reference, or at a certain voltage level, the state is said to be high impedance because it is open and serves its own reference. Thus, the actual voltage level is sometimes unpredictable. A rare ternary point is used to denote fractional parts of an inning in baseball. Since each inning consists of 3 outs, each out is considered 1/3 of an inning and is denoted as .1. For example, if a player pitched all of the 4th, 5th and 6th innings, plus 2 outs of the 7th inning, his innings pitched column for that game would be listed as 3.2, meaning 3A. In this usage, only the fractional part of the number is written in ternary form. Ternary numbers can be used to convey self-similar structures like the Sierpinski triangle or the Cantor set conveniently. Additionally, it turns out that the ternary representation is useful for defining the Cantor set and related point sets, because of the way the Cantor set is constructed. The Cantor set consists of the points from 0 to 1 that have a ternary expression that does not contain any instance of the digit 1. Any terminating expansion in the ternary system is equivalent to the expression that is identical up to the term preceding the last non-zero term followed by the term 1 less than the last non-zero term of the first expression, followed by an infinite tail of 2's. For example, 0.1020 is equivalent to 0.10122222. Because the expansions are the same until the 2 of the first expression, the 2 was decremented in the second expansion, and trailing zeros were replaced with trailing 2's in the second expression. Ternary is the integer base with the highest radix economy, followed closely by binary and quaternary. It has been used for some computing systems because of this efficiency. It is also used to represent three-option trees, such as phone menu systems, which allow a simple path to any branch. A form of redundant binary representation called balanced ternary or sign-digit representation is sometimes used in low-level software and hardware to accomplish fast addition of integers because it can eliminate carries. Trit equals, some ternary computers such as the set undefined are trit to be 6 trits or same as 9.5 bits. See also, ternary logic, Taixuanjing, seton, a ternary computer, trit. Notes, Musen-Soltanifer, on a sequence of Cantor fractals, Rose-Hulman Undergraduate Mathematics Journal, Vol. 7, No. 1, Paper 9, 2006. Musen-Soltanifer, a different description of a family of middle Cantor sets, American Journal of Undergraduate Research, Vol. 5, No. 2, pages 9-12, 2006. Ternary J. Fitak, I. Kiran, Hybrid Sign-Digit Number Systems, a unified framework for redundant number representations with bounded carry propagation chains, 1994, 1, Brausentsov, N.P. Maslov, S.P. Ramil Alvarez, J. Zilov, each. Development of ternary computers at Moscow State University. Retrieved January 20, 2010. References, Hayes, Brian, 3rd base, American Scientist 89, 490 €494, doi, 10.1511/2001.40.3268. External links, 3rd base, Ternary Arithmetic, the Ternary Calculating Machine of Thomas Fowler, Ternary base conversion includes fractional part, from Maths is Fun, Gideon Frieder's Replacement Ternary Numeral System, Visualization of Numeral Systems.